know cows make milk? Wow, you made a match. Look what you found. Did you know a baby cow is called a calf? Pink, pink pig. Wow, you made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Hear a pig sound. Did you know pigs like to play in the mud to stay cool? Did you know a baby pig is called a piglet? Blue sheep, blue sheep. Wow, you made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Hear a sheep sound. Did you know sheep have curly wool? What? Did you know a baby sheep is called a lamb? Yellow duck. Yellow duck. Wow, you made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Hear a duck sound. Did you know ducks have webbed feet for swimming? Did you know a baby duck is called a duckling? Orange, orange horse. Wow, you made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Hear a horse sound. Did you know horses wear shoes? Horseshoes. Did you know a baby horse is called a foal? Orange horse. Pink pig. A cow pig? You put a cow in front, you put a pig behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A cow pig? That's silly. Blue sheep. A cow sheep? You put a cow in front, you put a sheep behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A cow sheep. That's silly. Yellow duck. A cow duck? You put a cow in front, you put a duck behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A cow duck. That's silly. Orange horse. A cow horse. You put a cow in front, you put a horse behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A cow horse. That's silly. Purple cow. A pig cow? You put a pig in front, you put a cow behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A pig cow? That's silly. Pink pig. Blue sheep. A pig sheep? You put a pig in front, you put a sheep behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A pig sheep? That's silly. Yellow duck. A pig duck? You put a pig in front, you put a duck behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A pig duck? That's silly. Orange horse. A pig horse? You put a pig Purple cow. A sheep cow. You put a sheep in front, you put a cow behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A sheep cow. That's silly. Pink pig. A sheep pig. You put a sheep in front, you put a pig behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A sheep pig. That's silly. Yellow duck. A sheep duck. You put a sheep in front, you put a duck behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A sheep duck. That's silly. Orange horse. A sheep horse. You put a sheep in front, you put a horse behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A sheep horse. That's silly. Purple cow. A duck cow? You put a duck in front, you put a cow behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A duck cow? That's silly. Pink pig. A duck pig? You put a duck in front, you put a pig behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A duck pig? That's silly. Blue sheep. A duck sheep? You put a duck in front, you put a sheep behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A duck sheep? That's silly. Orange horse. A duck horse? You put a duck in front, you put a horse behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A duck horse? That's silly. Purple cow. A horse cow? You put a horse in front, you put a cow behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A horse cow? That pink pig. A horse pig? You put a horse in front, you put a pig behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A horse pig? That's silly. Blue sheep.